So welcome to today's lesson for NCEA Level 1 Science, the Mechanics External. Today looking at work. So what is work? Okay, so there is a relationship between work and energy. Okay, so when a force, okay, causes this pen to move up, okay, that requires energy, and that means energy is being transferred and work has been done. So the equation for work is that the work done equals the energy transferred to do that work. Okay, and because of that, both work and energy are measured with the unit of joules. Okay, so there's also a relationship between work and friction. So if you rub your hands together, okay, you will feel heat energy. Okay, so basically what's happening is energy being used to move your hands. Okay, that's going to create work, okay, which is going to work against the frictional forces, and those frictional forces, the energy is going to be transformed into heat energy. Okay, that's what happens when you rub your hands together. Brake pads also work in the same way because they also become hot if the brakes are applied for too long onto the brake pads. Okay, and then some of the car's kinetic energy, the energy of movement, may be transferred into the heat energy of the brake pads, so you get some smoke, but also the screeching sound that you hear if you brake suddenly. So in terms of the work equation, we've said that work done equals the energy being transferred, but it also equals the force applied times the distance moved in the direction of that force. Okay, so when that pen is being moved up, okay, you are applying a force up the direction of the force. Okay, so work is measured in joules because it's analogous to the energy being transferred. Force, of course, is measured in newtons, and the distance d is measured in meters. So like all things in physics in level 1, there's also a magic triangle where you can also work out the force required to do the work and also the distance in which that work is being done. So force equals work done divided by the distance the object has moved, and the distance the object has moved equals the work done divided by the force.